Oh, nimejua. Hi, morning. Guys, can you hear me? Just type yes if you can hear me. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining. Okay, let's wait for more people to join as we start our live stream. Okay, share the screen, share the live stream, and also hit that like button. If you can hear me, just type yes. If you can hear me. Kiprotich Dennis, good morning, sir. Morning, everyone. Yes. Okay, so if you have any question, just type. We don't have a lot of much going on right now because the festival have already kicked in, and you can see the market. We have so much impulsive movement happening in the market. So DCJ is saying good morning too. Just the reason why I've come live is because I want us to catch up, and then you can ask me question any pair you're looking forward to. Though I'm not really trading to the market, I'm not in the market so much right now because my festival already started. Yeah, so Kiproti is saying loud and clear. Okay. Any pair guys you're looking forward to trade, or any pair you are into, you want me to check for you. Because I've seen so many people are asking me on my DM, why are you not coming live? Why are you not coming live and do analysis? That's the reason why I've started this live stream. It's a very short one. I want to be live for long, the way I do live for 1 hour, but I'll be live for a very short time, and then I can be able to answer your question, and then yeah, we can catch up. Okay. So let's do a recap of what we were doing, and I hope you have been doing what we did the last time, because the last time we did last week was the last analysis we did. I hope you have been, because I've seen the market has been just following the trend which we did the analysis last week. So I just got right to share the screen, and then we can just do a recap of what we saw last week on the market. Yeah. So let me share the screen. Okay, we can start with the Forex factory. The first thing we're going to check is about the fundamentals. So today, 6:30 a.m., that's when we had the AUD cash rates and then RBA rate statements. And then I don't think we have any other fundamentals today. Okay, we don't have any fundamentals today. And then we can go on Wednesday. Tomorrow is when we have CPI. So tomorrow we expect a very volatile market. So from there, then I'll just go directly to the market. And then once I'm clear about what fundamental is happening, so just go directly to the market and do a recap of last week. So this was GBP card. Who will remember GBP card? We were buying GBP card. I remember the day. This was our buying zone last week. So this is just a recap of what we have been doing. We were buying GBP card last week. It has been bullish, targeting our TP, fully TP. It's done here. I remember Dan Akichukwu pair. Duncan, and who else took this pair? There's someone, I can't remember the name, but Nikimwana, when I see her on my comment section, I'll be able to see. So guys, let's engage on the comment section. You can say hi. So I'm talking about this pair. So this pair we were buying last week because of breakout of a trend line and then a retest, and then this one is the one Ilitutoa this week. This one is one Ilitutoa Yosik with the stop loss. I remember, you guys can remember, but we were very much okay looking for buyers all the way here, up here. So this one we were targeting. This is more than 200 pips, more than 270 pips. Oh my god. But it's okay. Vincent Mutuku was an Vincent. Hi Vincent, long time. I know Vincent Mutuku. Okay, so the other plan is Eurocard. We were looking forward for buys because of an inverse head and shoulder. You remember, guys, this was the other pair we were looking forward to. These are normal days pairs we normally check each and every day. Yeah, we were trading this because of inverse head and shoulder, and then because we are buying from here, and then we are looking forward for a breakout and retest, which normally happens. Again, we are looking forward for more buys. This is a pair we were trading last week. So you can just comment below if you have been still on the pairs, holding on the pairs that you have been looking for last week, the one we did last week, the analysis. You look at the GBP card, you also didn't have any pair or any view. Okay, we didn't have US or any Euro JPY, USD JPY, no, Euro USD. Yes, Euro USD, I remember that day when we were looking for buys because of the inverse head and shoulders, but then this is too much ranging. Euro AUD, Euro AUD are looking for buys, I remember. Guys, can you see? Even the analysis, they're still there. We're looking for reversal head, shoulder, and then a breakout, and then a retest of a Euro AUD. Very much. Isaac, Unakumbuka this euro UD ya jana? Yeah. This one was a very perfect one. Even I saw it yesterday because of this breakout and you see the way we did analysis, both of them, they're still there. You remember this one? Pia Salah ulikuwa umefanya hii analysis? Oh, okay. So this is what you clearly call now analysis. You see, even my student in the office, they know we have been doing this analysis. So we are looking forward for a breakout and then a retest again, market back again because of retest. You know, our analysis, the way we normally do them, guys, they're still the same. We have never changed our strategy. This is the same strategy we normally use each and every day. Okay, switch on the pair. We had NZD card, so also NZD card. I remember the day we were buying here because of an inversely shoulder here, shoulder, then here again. Which other pair we had? JPY, no, GBP AUD. As we had a view on GBP AUD. This was the view. No, the market didn't come back again here, but this was the view on GBP AUD. I remember. You can also comment. This is just a hanging. Duncan, nina hang kweli. Guys, can you comment? Is it this guy makes Forex appear very simple? Like, guys, is my internet okay? I see someone ananiambia nina hang. Ama umepata nini? Sidhani mimi naona niko sawa. If you just comment down there. So we were looking for GPP AUD, and the market didn't come back again there. We had this order block, though we didn't come back again. This was another order block created here. So you just treat this simply. Tumefanya this analysis for long. These are the things tumekuwa tukifanya. You can clearly hata nisipokuja live Instagram, nisipokuja live analysis on YouTube, you guys, yes, it's hanging. Okay. Guys, let me just shift to bundles, okay? Just a quick one. Don't quit. Okay, live. Actually, shift to bundles. So you can just comment down if you have any inquiries and then anything. And also remind you, also we have a dinner night, not a dinner date. It's a dinner night with the traders. We are invited by Curity. She's hosting a dinner night at Kileleshwa this coming weekend on Saturdays from 4 p.m. till late night. Just avail yourself there. Kuja and network with people. Yeah. Okay, let me just shift to bundles. So discover cohort. Just a moment, guys. I'm back. Okay, so I've shifted to bundles. I think my internet will be much okay now. Just a moment. Let me see. Yes, my internet I think now is okay. Guys, you can comment down if my internet is still not okay. Am I sharing my screen? Why am I not seeing my screen here? Okay, let me just start again live streaming. Share the entire screen. Okay, so guys, can you see me? I think my now is okay. Let me see the comment. Okay, is it okay now? Okay. Can you comment, guys? It's clear now. Observing key level is what I have learned from you, Dan. Thank you so much. So you can comment down if you have anything to say. Is my internet okay now? Okay. So someone was saying, let me just read it. Hanging, maybe a comment up. So this guy makes Forex appear very simple. Like, thank you so much. Yeah, it's hanging. Observing key level is what I've learned from you. Thank you so much. God sir, okay, now perfecto. Observing key levels, yes, internet iko poa. Almost you gave up because of ICT. Almost gave up because of ICT's GSMC. That's Dr. Forex. Your analysis is very simple and easy. Understood. Okay. So guys, so let's continue. So GBP, you are looking forward for this. Okay, but then we had this other block here. GBP CHF, no, Euro GBP had a view. Let's come back and do double check it. Yes, Euro GBP, remember guys, we were looking forward for sales here. This was the analysis, break and retest also from this zone, still valid, ilikuwa hapo. Kosawa, which other pair? AUD card, do you have any view on AUD card? I don't remember on AUD card. Yeah, ukiona ina drawings. I don't release my drawings actually. What you can see my laptop is the same because this is my normal laptop every day. So I use this the same analysis I do here with this, the same I leave them on my laptop. As the DCHF, we had a view of sales of break and retest. Where's the drawings? I remember as the DCHF, we had a break and retest here. Where are the drawings? But I remember here, I remember we had NZDCHF and also NZD card, NZDUSD. We had them break and retest here. You can clearly see. So also you can type down which pairs you want me to check on today. NZDUSD, NZDUSD. We are looking for. There's a day we are looking for sellers. XAUUSD. I have a view on gold. I want to show you gold. This is what I'm viewing. I'm seeing gold bearish. This is the only last point I can bear because I believe gold is bearish, and this is the last point and opportunity for me to look for sellers. Let me just do this analysis before we continue. So this is on view on gold. So I know a lot of people have been texting me, do gold, do gold. So the reason why gold did a reversal structures overhead and shoulder has been very bearish, creating a very impulsive movement towards the downside, coming back here to retest this area zone, creating also not able to break the swing highs and also breaking the swing lows, coming back down. And this ranging, the market is back to also a trend line, a long-term trend line. This is a trend that has been from the highest point of the market where the market has ever reached 20 from 2790. That's why the trend line, and then we have the second touch and the third touch. This is the only place I can only look for sales. And looking for sales, I have a stop, might have a stop very tight above here. Considering that if this market is able to break these areas of the break this area, we might expect a breakout and then a retest. But now, since the market is still obeying my trend line, which I've drawn clearly here, I'm expecting a very long-term trend towards the downside. So towards the end of December, I'm looking for this market to drop all the way down here as we are towards January, and January is when Trump is going to be sworn in as a president. And also, I'm looking forward for more sales on gold because sentimentally, since Trump was sworn in as the president here, no, Trump won. The market has been very, 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 very bearish technically. So I'm following on technical analysis. This is backed up by also sentimentals and fundamentally, but this is also technical analysis what I'm doing for him. So I'm looking for a very long-term sales on gold. This is the only opportunity I can only have a very long-term sales because once the market breaks here, I'll change my bias from a bearish movement to a bullish. So I'm still bearish because the market is still technically trading on a bearish movement where I'm looking for. So this is what we are looking for, and then I'm looking for a long-term sales. That's the view on sales. Wait, is your most preferred what Mary Waringa? I didn't get the question. Okay, so we can continue. We're just doing a double check of what we did last week. GBPSD, I think the USD pairs we didn't have any other view. Tangu ile ifanye inverse head and shoulder here. You can clearly see it. I think to compare an analysis. USD we had a view. We had a view on USD We had a view on USD I think that's the day we look up on this flag the last time we did it. Sikuwa nimeacha USD imekuja huku. Oh yeah, I know. Guys, can you remember USD the day I did the last time I did analysis was on Friday? No, Friday, and that's when we had the NFP, and then we had this flag here. We were looking for sales, and remember, and I gave this sales here because of this flag. Actually, I was gave this sales because of this flag. It's Finn here, Finn and Azakumbuka, because I remember we were with her, and then we were targeting this flag, and then we were looking for the market to drop all the way to this order block here. And the market really activated. Yeah, so that was the view, the last view we had on USDC. We still come back again to it. GBP JPY, we're looking for buys. Who's still on buys on GJ? I remember that day when we're looking for buys here. And again, I gave buys on GJ because of inverse head and shoulder. You can clearly see. Okay, so I've not been live, so I have to do a recap of what we are doing. So this was a structure here, shoulder and shoulder. We were looking for buys because the market was showing us. AUDUSD, we didn't have any view on AUDUSD, remember? JPY basket, AUDCHF. I think we had AUDCHF. I don't remember any setups on USDCHF here, but I can't remember. That one was not on Friday. NAS 100, no view. German 40, USD, JPY, no, Euro, we didn't have views on those. So those were the trades we were looking for last week. That was just a recap of what we've been doing. So it's very good and healthy for us to be coming and do a recap of what we are doing analysis to see where we went wrong, where we didn't do our analysis where, and to see where to focus on and to emphasize more on when we come to the next time we're doing analysis. So today is just a quick one because I said as earlier my festival has already started. So I'm not really doing much in the market, just very little. And because now I'm on a break and then I see a trend line here before I continue. Guys, can you see? So we are going to expect something like this. The moment you know your strategy, you clearly normally see your analysis, and then you can come back again to this order block. They align the same align with the trend line, and then this order block. Okay, so let me continue. So I'm saying that right now I'm not paying too much attention on the market because of the festival already kicked in, and then yeah, so we can comment down which pay you guys you're looking forward for me to check on which pay you're looking for me to trade. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, share this live, and also hit that comment button below. Okay, so and also, this is another way you can buy all the way target this area. So if you are this is an active trade for today, let me show you. So this one is a risky one. So let me show you how to do analysis. So you see, whenever I talk about a red candle by then by a green candlestick, I do normally talk about these analysis types of analysis each and every day. I come live on YouTube. A red candle by then by a green candlestick. So yes, entry should be such as this: a long position and a long position and a stop loss below the red candle. So note that whenever you are trading a trade, you have to know is it a long term or a short term. This one is a very short term trade, and meaning a short term trade, you have to have a very tight stop loss because you are going against the trend and it's a very risk one. So there are different types of entries you have because trade is all about risking, and the kind of risk we are taking here is very huge compared to the trade that we are going to take here because the trade is taking here is more minimal than the trade we are taking here because this is going against the trend. The only thing is just aligning with what the strategy we do normally trade. So this one you have to have a very tight stop loss below here and target all the way to this green candlestick because the market is going to come back again here and then you expect another drop of this market all the way down. So that your setup should be as such. And then from here we can look for another short position. So I just do randomly analysis, like I'll just go through the market. If you have in your pair, I'll just focus on it. Just comment down below. So I'll not be like going through the whole list of other pairs the way you normally check because I said you have already kicked in the targets, the festive, and your stop loss should be just above the green candlestick here. And also you have to target this red candle as your take profit. That's the view on you. So you have those two setups on. This is on AUDCHF. And what is the name of your strategy, bro? I know I've never named anything. Like the way I talk about this, I've never named this way of entry. Like now, how can I name it now? No, I don't have a name. It's just me the way I understand the market. Yeah, but now the entry here should be after the closure of the green candlestick because we are at the 24th minute, meaning by the time it's closing, going to confirm for us is this market bullish or bearish. So such entries you have to wait for the closure of this candlestick so that it close and bind the red candlestick fully. Yeah, so you have to wait it for the closure of the candlestick to confirm for you for the next entry. Okay, so which pair are you going guys to me to check? So I've shown you guys on AUDCHF. I've also done an analysis on gold. We have done an analysis on gold. And then let me show you guys. This was one of our best trade we took last week. Unfortunately, the market manipulated us. I will say manipulation because I remember that day we didn't have any fundament, we didn't have any news. But I don't understand see today why we had this spike because this is what Enyeri this is the week that Enyeri Tutoa stop loss. But I've never understood why we had this spike all the way down here and then the market reversing all the way to over 300 because our entries was just here. Uh, so any other pair, guys? For this one is outdone. So on our normal pairs, because as our normal pairs are GBP card, Euro card, GBP JPYs, and then USDCHF, USD card. Those are our major pairs we normally trade each and every day. So like GBP card, now this one is an outdone setup, meaning we don't have any more entries because we have been looking for buys all the way and target here. So our TP has already been hit. And meaning now we don't have to now force this market drop again. The only view we can wait is just give it more time and we see where the market is heading to. Currently, I can clearly see another formation of an inverse head and shoulder and market reversing back all the way to the box. So if the markets come back again to this area, we are going to experience more buys because of we can clearly see on 4 hours we have setups of a reversal structure yes, we had the reversal structures down here, but we have a setup of head, shoulder, and shoulder. So meaning we are going to experience another buys. These are the only levels we can only look for more buys. So you can mark these zones on your laptop. So as the markets come back again here, they are going to give you more opportunity for you to enter the trade of GBP card. And then you can have a stop loss like such a way. So you are going to look for a long position this way. And make sure that your stop loss, let me just have your stop loss below the week this week. Then and then you can target these areas as your tape profit. because this one still hurt me till today. This unaona hii kamkia hii yenye tumanipate still hurt me till today while it tore. Okay, so any other pair? So guys, you can just comment down which pair this guy can simplify trading. Respect brother, thank you so much. So any pair you are going to look forward to. And also let me announce this, next year mwaka imeisha 2024, next year I'm doing a sole Forex exposition. So I'll do a Forex exposition here in Nairobi, and I'll do one outside the Nairobi metropolitan, and then one of them. So you'll get to in touch with me to do the analysis, physical with me, live with me. So that exposition will not be sponsored by any broker, it's just based on me, and I'll be looking forward to see you guys there. So just keep in mind and keep me reminding me when I'm hosting that exposition. Okay, so this GBP card, any pair guys you're looking forward to check. So someone is Chairman Kenya. What about gold and Euro GBP? Gold and Euro GBP. Gold and Euro GBP. Gold, I have already done the gold analysis. I said I'm still bearish on gold, and that's what I'm looking for because this is the only long-term trade. And when I mean a long-term, I'm expecting a very long-term trade huku hivi. So hii sales naziexpect zikuje tu ziking'ang'ana tu zikuje all the way this way. I'm expecting a very long-term trade hivi. So in the market, you have to know the entries which are going to give you long term, the entries that are going to give you short term. So like this one, I'm expecting a more sales even if break up because if it drop from here, it's going to make another new low. If it sell from here, itakuja break this low and make another low. That's why on Euro AUD CHF like this pair, utapata hivi nimewambia there is a short term trade as a long term trade, lakini kwa gold ninawambia there is a long term trade. Those are how you differentiate about your trading analysis. Yeah, so any yes, I'll host an Nairobi exposition very soon. Eurocard. So okay, so on Eurocard, the reason why we have been looking forward for mobiles, we are looking forward for mobiles from here inverted break and retest done hapa hivi Eurocard inaona mobiles, but now I'm expecting for another pullback. Just give it more time ifanye pullback irudi kwa hizi but nianze. So whenever market iko hivi, you just remove all your drawings because all your setups imeobey where the market imeobey the way ulikuwa unataka. You just move the drawings and then unaimark simply, ndo remove the drawings, unaimark simply so as inakuonyesha vizuri the zones, because ukiwa na too much drawing in the market uonangi the market iko clearly. So nyaanza na mark the kwanza, this is the area part tulikuwa na first buys, meaning the second one tulikuwa na expect after breakout hapa, and then we come back again to 4 hours and 1 hour, and then we look for another order block. So meaning hapo mali tunataka kuchukua kuna this order block, meaning the next buys za Eurocard zitakuwa hapa, zitakuwa kwa hii order block hapa. So that's the view on Eurocard, meaning we are going to have a long position from there and a stop loss hapa below e candlestick hapa. So even knowing where to place your stop loss is another thing in trading, and target the first high hapa. So having a risk reward ratio of how much? Risk reward ratio of 4.5. So that one is very much about okay. So that's the view on Eurocard. So and the reason why nimemark hapa is because on 4 hours kuna break and retest, breakout and retest of these shoulders, and the reason mbona nimerudi kwa 1 hour bado that area, that's why we have an order block on 1 hour, and bado on 4 hours hizi red candle hapa ndo kuna order sasa, meaning the buys ziko hapa, na ukiona stop loss yangu iko below hii zone yote bado ina line hapo. So here niko na so much high probability of having my buy positions at that particular levels. So the only way you can do ni kuweka pending orders, na kama hujui kuweka pending orders just say tutakufunza hapa tu kama hujui kuweka pending orders. Yeah, so unaweza weka pending orders ya 0.01 which is a micro, ndo ikiwa activate itakuchangamsha that now uko pay more attention, lakini ukiweka hivyo analysis na uende utapata the analysis were activated and the market didn't come back. You didn't know when the market came back, but the moment you have your pending orders, the market is going to activate you, and now raise your questions about now concern about the Eurocard. How many types of OB do you use? I just use the how many types of OB. It depends with the OB. I do say that you have to know when to check the valid order block and not a valid order block. Yeah. And also, actually, let me mention, you guys, this one is an OB, so you know how to take a trade with an OB. So ikirudi hapa hivi, that's when nasema weke trade na micro losses, which is 0.01. So ikirudi hapa, you can observe it whether the order block is being respected and not a valid. Is it a valid order block or not a valid order block? I know you guys know by now. You know how to check a valid order block, and you know how to check an invalid order block. Okay. The next pair that you guys want me to check is about AUD. What about AUD USD? Okay. So AUD USD, let me check and show you. These pairs, they are not confirmed for me, the bullish. So I'm still bearish on these pairs. Even akina IGU hizo bado bullish movement ijaningia vizuri because bado zijaonyesha the change of character. I said the bullish movement to kick in until you see the change of character. That's when it can fully confirm for you. Okay, is there any? Okay. We can look forward for more sales on these areas. These are the OBs. These are the areas, and also the reason why I'm marking these areas because the market will be forming and reverse head and shoulder, meaning when the market come back again here, it's going to mark an inverse head and shoulder. And this area, you can clearly see there's a zone there on the other side. So you see this is the only sell zone. So meaning I'm expecting a pullback all the way to come back again. So note that this is the head, these are the shoulders, and these are shoulders. So whenever market come back again, we can put a line chart and you can clearly see. So we are going to expect another head and shoulder there. So that's the only sell zone. AUD, USD, I can look forward for more sales. Any other question? Lawrence Kiburi, yo, how are you? I'm good. Which other pair you guys you want me to check? Guys, just comment down. Just comment down. Today, I'm not doing the full checkup on the pairs because we are not. I'm just checking out for those people who are still trading here. Just comment down which pair you want me to check for you, and also note that, guys, announcement: we are having a night dinner night on 14th, which is Saturday this coming, and also we have tickets, guys. I don't think there's any reason for you not to attend because we have tickets. We have free tickets, and free tickets are going for 1,000. The dinner night is for 2,000, so the free ticket is 50% off. Someone has paid 50%. So you just pay 1,000, someone has paid for you 1,000, then you can avail yourself for the event. Yeah. And so you don't have reason for you not to just buy the ticket. Just 1,000, Bob. We have those tickets. So the tickets are only available for the 50%. There are 5 tickets. So first come, first serve. So when they are done, then the tickets can go back. I don't think there's any other one. If there's another one, I just announce if there's any other ticket for with an offer. So US oil bado nimeiweka chini, but I see a sales on US oil. Okay. Oh, US oil, you have a universe head and shoulder here. Guys, can you see? We have an inverse head and shoulder here. Let's remove these drawings. Let's remove our drawings because you remember USR was last week didn't do as good because of the flag. We were looking forward for buys hapa. Nakumbuka flag ikatoa market ikakuja create another flag, drop again, create a new low. So the reason why I'm refusing and I'm hesitating, not refusing, but I'm hesitating to take more buys because the way the market has been not be very nice on US oil. Let me just draw these shoulders. These shoulders seems to be very powerful. Okay, this market is creating lower lows each and every time. Come back to 4 hours here. So until this create, you see, the market has creating lower lows each and every time, breaking the structure on the lower side. That's why I would hesitate for me to take a buy here. I hesitate a lot to take a buy because the market is still showing me more bearish movement. So on your side, I just give it more penning until I have a clear direction. Let's come to daily time frame and see the overall direction. I don't have a very clear on your side, so I won't give any view on your side. Because yes, I can clearly see a reversal structure here overhead and shoulder. Yes, these are bias varied. But now this market has been doing us not respecting our zones most of the time. So I just keep it up until I have a clear direction of where the market is heading to. So BTC versus USD. I know BTC I expected to come back again. Let me show you. BTC versus USD 97. You want to tell me, the other day I woke up and saw that BTC had hit 90K. Ilikuwa imeshuka all the way to 90. This day, what was happening? It's 92. And why this thing? Because MT5 is showing me Bitcoin is hit 90. And this trading review. Trading review showing me 92. And I'm checking on my MT5, I saw that Bitcoin was at 90K. Okay. So the silver, you see, whenever the market touch with this week, I will still say my valid buying zone is this area, the same areas, these areas. There's possibility of this market come back to hit areas, so you can have your pending orders here. The market still come back again to 92. Yeah, I'm still looking forward for Bitcoin to come 92 to look forward for more buys. NAS 100, NAS 100. So let me give you, this is a flag. And NAS has been very, and you know, this is a very strong zone. So having a price there. So wait for one confirmation of a breakout on this area. Wait for the market to just break out. You see the way NAS is consolidated. You have small breakout, and then you can sell this market. For this one, I normally tell you, I know a flag will normally take instant. Like you can see this is a bearish flag. We normally take our orders instantly. But for today, just allow me to say that give it more time to break out, or wait for this market to come back again and create such structures. Either sell here, either sell there, or wait for these structures to break here, to break this area zone, and you can continue selling it. Either to have a sell here, but don't take sales here. Wait for it to break here, sales here down here. That's the only way. Your camera is invisible. Guys, you cannot see me? I think my camera is okay. Just comment down. USDJPY. We are almost winding up. USDJPY. We had a breakout and retest. This market is very bullish. And then 4 hours. For me, I'm very bullish on USDJPY and also GJ. And the reason why I'm also bearish on gold is because GJ is bullish. So I'm looking forward for more buys on USD JPYs. You see the way that these are also the market has been. So I'm looking forward for buys, but I don't see any entry here because there's no any section we can have a proper entry with a stop loss. Because whenever you have a buy here, your stop loss should be here. These are very big risk. You see these two candlesticks, they are so very big for you to have a stop loss. So meaning our entry is not okay here. So your entry matters a lot. So I know the market is very bullish, but our entries here is not giving me more confirmation. Okay, GBP JPY, and okay, let me just do GJ and then we can wait up the analysis. The same thing, GJ, I'm looking for mobiles. GJ has done a breakout and retest of normally what we do. You guys, you see, what we normally say, a breakout, a retest again. Yeah. So I think GJ, we can wait for it here. This is another block here. Just give it more time. Takurudi tena hapa. Look for mobiles hapo. Uongoje irudi hapo. That order block ikirudi hapo is giving me more possibility of looking for buy. So GJ has a very good order block. We can clearly see. We know how we check a valid order block. A valid order block is up. A very impulsive movement, breaking the structure high. We can see the BMS is broken here, BMS or BOS, and then we have the only then candlestick left behind, meaning this is the only order block left behind. So the order block has already been tapped, meaning there's still order there. So we can only wait for GJ to come back again to these areas, and then this is the only possible entry for you. There's someone who has money, they can enter here and hold the market for a drawdown. For us for who has a small account, just wait for the market to come here to have a very sharp entries. And another thing, use the criteria of having an entry of another block for you to have these entries on GJ. So because these ones are very okay trade. So guys, I know you know how to take a trade on the GJ. So today we can just check on entries on that one. So any question? The camera is very clear. Yeah, the camera is very clear. Deals nas 100 huweka aje nikitumia exam. Actually, I don't like trading nas 100 on exam. Haikuangi na pesa sana huko. Sijui nitamtafutia huyo broker mwingine. Ukiweka micro huko ni kama gold. Hiyo inakuwa very na heavyweight kwa broker. Sikumbuki ni gani, but nitauliza my friend alikuwa anamtumia. Nas 100 it depends. This stock index, it depends with the broker you're operating with. Some brokers the stock iko very high, kwingine people value yake iko chini. So but hapo kwa nini kwanza, then on exam the minimum lot size on NAS 100 0.1, which is a mini lot size, and bado ina vary sana. Yeah, but anajita bado anajita tu US, anajita US 100 huko, sijui ni US 100. Yeah, anajita US 100. Rudia Nasdaq please. Yeah, nitarudia. Sean Jojo anasema AUDCHF bro, I'll check it. I think, yeah, so GJ nimesema hivyo. And another thing, let me remind you, GJ and gold can't go the same direction. GJ can buy gold in a sell, and that's what I'm, because GJ inaonyesha high probability of a very long term sales on buys, because I'm expecting more buys on GJ to kuja on daily. Let me show you, tumekuwa tukionyesha hapo kutoka huko more buys tukuja hadi huko now, meaning pia mimi gold ni mimi naona tu this is the only opportunity tunaweza tafuta more sales, na kama ita sell from hapa then I'm changing my bias. So this is the only sell opportunity. So give it more observe it more. We observe. Now if I could break up easy areas, so observe it more to give you more confirmation. Rudia Nasdaq. So Nasdaq nimesema hivi. Kuna hii flag. Don't sell hapa because this is a flag, as I know tunasemanga sell on a flag hapo. Wait for it to break hapa ikuonyesha inataka kushuka. Or look for more sells hapa. Or you look for more sells kwa hii shoulder hapa hivi. So that's the view on Nasdaq. AUD ulisema tungoje candle closure. Yes. Nilisema AUD tungoje candle closure. Tuko dakika 42. Wala ina move sana. Ongoja tu ifunge, ongoja ifunge tu. Tuko dakika 42. But iko imeonyesha kuna volume kubwa ya kupanda. 15 kuna nini? Kuna order block. Another entry unaweza fanya re-entry yake either ni irudi hapa. Ongoja irudi hapa, itarudi tu hapa. Kwa ika candlestick ufanye another re-entry on AUD. Itarudi tena hapa. Hii ni 5 minutes. And then nimesema hizi ni short term, so we have a stop loss below your candlestick. Na target wapi? Hapa. Okay. Sean Georgia, yes. I know now guys, kama umekuwa ukinifuatilia on my analysis on YouTube, you know this strategy. Sinanga jina, hata mimi nitaibrand. Nitajiita jina, nianze kuita jina na nianze kusema nipeane jina hata mimi. But yeah, this is something I've really observed in the market, and it has took me so many years for me to just get this kind of concept. Okay, any question? Let me stop sharing it. You can see you. Let me see on the comment section. Nani amenunua ticket? Kama umenunua ticket, andika hapo umenunua ticket. Let me see wenye wanapanga live yangu kama wanakuja. Ama video nafanya free analysis hapa na guys, amkuji concert, amkuji nini event yetu. Okay. Kama uko na ticket, just type here nimenunua. I have it. Just type yes, I have the ticket. And also if you need a free ticket, poa sana. And also if you need a free ticket, just comment below. Just comment below, and then yeah. And also don't forget to hit that like button, guys. We have 10 likes. Let's hit more than 20 likes. We are winding up on the analysis. Just hit that like button. The like button iko hapo hivyo juu. You guys know we have 10 likes now. How have you been trading for? How long have you been trading Forex? Farida Messi. Let me answer it on that event. You know, on that day utaniuliza any question you ever feel. So on that day, just come. Feel free to ask me any question that day. Feel free to ask me any question. And you have even ticket. I'm asking guys, you have the ticket, just type you have the tickets. If you need a free ticket, comment below. Tunapeana tickets za bure. But I don't think we will live stream. I'm not sure come to live stream the event, but yeah, I will still ask Curity to come at a live stream. Any other question? Any question? We at 44. I don't think AUD imefunga candlestick bado ijifunga, tuko dakika 44 minutes, so we give it more time. Yeah, nobody who has a ticket here. Oh my god. Nobody who has a ticket here. You guys are watching me and you have not bought the ticket.